So friends, let's see today's delicious coconut cake. So to a large bowl, I'm going to be adding 3 eggs. Next, we're going to add half a cup of powdered sugar, which is 50 grams. And we're going to whisk this. You can also use an electric whisk. So I've just taken regular sugar and powdered it or ground it to a fine powder in my mixer grinder. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. You can also use vanilla extract and again whisk it for 1 whole minute. This way all the ingredients will really mix nicely together. Now I'm going to add 120 ml or half a cup of thick coconut milk. I will leave a recipe of how I prepare coconut milk at home. You can also use the ready-made coconut milk. Next, I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of 135 grams of fine semolina or rava or suji. Now, if you have a medium-sized rava or suji, just give it 1 or 2 grinds in your mixer jar. Now, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Or you can just retain the medium rava. But I like to give it a little finer texture because it's easier to bite into the cake then, and it makes the cake also very tasty. Now just fold everything well together. Now I'm going to add 1.5 cup or 150 grams of freshly grated coconut. Now if you don't have fresh coconut, you can also use desiccated coconut. And now just fold everything well together. This would be a good time to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 200 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. You can cover and set this aside for about 10 minutes. And then I'm just going to pour it into a 7x7 cake tin, which I've lined with some butter paper. And I'm going to bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. Our coconut cake is ready. Let it come to room temperature before we demold it. Demold the cake. Now I have this removable base, which really makes it easy. Otherwise just take a plate and overturn the cake tin over that. Take off the baking paper. It comes off very easily. And then just cut it into squares or even size pieces. So there's no flour in this cake recipe, there's no butter, but it's yet very delicious. So do give this recipe a try, and it gets ready also very quickly. It's made with all ingredients that you regularly have at home. So do try out this recipe, guys, and let me know in the comments section how you like this cake after you tried it out. And if you did, then please share this recipe with family and friends. Do give this recipe a like and go and watch all my other videos also. I have so many other recipes similar to this one. So now you can see how nicely it has been baked, even though there's no flour or butter in this cake. So this is the traditional Goan rava and coconut cake. Recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's Recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.